Y'all won't believe what I got today, because I am one happy person. So let me go ahead before I keep talking and just show you guys where I went. Can you guess what's in here? Can we guess the vibe? I literally went out to go buy a pink shirt because the packaging is full of pink Jeffree Star goodness. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe right down below. It will be appreciated. So let's get into today's video. I'm super excited because we have the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. I am so pumped and excited, you guys. Like, for real, I woke up super early and was like, I need to get that palette. I don't want to wait for shipping, you know. Thankfully SAC is like not too far away, so yeah, this was so easy to get a hold of. But I didn't only just get this because I was only gonna get this, but then I was like, okay, the talk of the town, I feel like, is the Starberry Morphe setting spray. Like, look how cute. So I grabbed my hands on that, as well as I got two brushes from his collection because you can buy them individually and they come in packages like this. I got the Jeffree Star JS8 brush and the JS12 brush because I wanted to buy the whole set, but like, y'all, trying to spend some coin was like, it was hard for me. So I was like, okay, you need to pick and choose what you want. And so I was like, definitely need these two brushes because you can't go wrong with these two types of brushes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and create a look with this stuff because I cannot wait to put this on my eyelids. Okay, I'm opening her up and there's a cute picture in the back of Jeffree Star. This comes in bubble wrap, super nice. That way this stuff doesn't break. So if you go in the store and use your code, or online as well, you can use JSTAR or any other code and you get 10% off, and it comes down to like 31 bucks or so. And then the setting spray is $18 and the two brushes that I got were 7 bucks each. So total I spent was $65. So let's open this bad boy. Oh my God. Are you ready? Y'all, look at these pretty shades. Okay, comes with a little protector, don't need it. But what I really love is how big this mirror is. Look how big this mirror is, super big. Oh my goodness, holy crap. This palette comes with 30 shades, y'all. So this is such a great deal. I love seeing the swatches that Jeffree had swatched because I feel like some of the stuff you can use for the summertime, or there's some shades in here like these, the second row, like right here, and like this green color and stuff. Like fall is gonna be coming and you can use those shades for fall. Like they're so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few. I'm gonna swatch What's the Tea, and they feel so buttery. Super buttery. Go ahead and swatch that right there. That's such a pretty color. Oh my gosh. Okay. The next shade I want to swatch is Mogul. And this is like a pretty, almost like a pinky purple color. That shade right there. They're so pigmented. Yes, yes, yes. Let's swatch Custom Rims. That shade is so pretty. Hopefully I can get it in the camera. Look at that. Yes. And then let's do two. Like his name's on here. Like the first row is Welcome Back to My Channel, One Noise. Da-da-ding. So So I'm swatching the shade 2, and that shade is right there. It's such a pretty pinky shade. Like, all these shades complement each other. Like, I'm obsessed with this. So let me stop talking and let's start applying these shadows, because I can't wait to just put these on my eyes. Okay, y'all, so I'm taking my JS8 brush, which is a fluffier brush, and I'm picking up Self-Made shadow, and I'm gonna start placing this into my crease, because this whole palette, like, it's just pink. The way it's made, everything is pink, so why not go with the brightest pink in the palette, which is right up there. Like, y'all, and this brush is super soft. Like, yes, if y'all can pick this up, and if you already ordered it, y'all are gonna love these brushes. So I'm just focusing this shade in my crease, and I have an idea in mind of what I'm going to be creating. So I'm super excited about this. So we're just going to keep on packing that shade on. These shades are super pigmented. I'm adding these shades on and I still haven't gotten any fallout at the bottom, because I already have my foundation and everything on. So I'm gonna take this higher and then just start blending. What I'm doing with no extra pigment, no extra color, and I'm just blending this out. I'm just gonna smoke this on out. Now I'm going to take the green shade called Nate, and I'm taking my JS12 brush, which is a more precise blending brush, and we're just going to tap that. And I'm just going to run this on the lower lash line. That shade is so pigmented and so pretty. These remind me just of neons and stuff, and neons are still in right now, so it's just cool that, like, if you love to play with makeup and stuff, that Jeffree Star has it for you. And these colors are so pigmented and just so blendable. Like, yes, he did that. Next shade I'm taking is the shade called Mogul, and it's like a purpley pink shade, and this shade is super pretty. And I'm just putting that on the outer corner and then blending it into my crease to make it darker. Next shade I'm using is called Pink Fleet, and y'all, I just keep using the same brush because I just love being handy, and like, if you don't have that many brushes and stuff, that, I mean, you still can create something pretty cool and pretty cute. So what I'm doing is just putting Pink Fleet in that open area on my lid. Oh, y'all, I love this. OMG. So I think what I'm gonna do is use two shimmer shades. I'm gonna use Don't Know Her first, and I'm gonna go in with my finger, and this shade is really pretty, a nice, really pretty shimmer. And I'm gonna start like applying that on top of the lid shade. And that's just gonna give it some shimmer and not leave it so matte. And then the next shade I'm gonna go in with is it's called 2, which is a pink, which is like a pinky tone. So pretty much all the colors I'm using in here are like pink tones and stuff. But I'm gonna put this in the inner portion of my eye. And that looks so pretty mixed in with these shades. Okay, so this is what I'm having so far, what the shadow is looking like. So just pretty much just blown out, just being dramatic. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put some lashes on because this look calls for some bomb lashes. I'm gonna put a lip on and then we'll be back to talk about the setting spray because I need to set my face and I wanna smell what the strawberry smells like because I did not smell it in the Morphe store. So I'm dying to see what it smells like and how it feels on my skin. So I'll be right back. Okay y'all, so this is the finished look with using the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. And what I did was add some lashes. I'm using the Tati lashes in TL3. And then I found some rhinestones and I decided because they were like an ovally shape but it has a point, I decided to apply them like a wing liner because it's just going with the smoke and stuff, and I thought, oh, this would be so cute. So let me zoom you guys in. And this is the finished look. Y'all, Jeffree Star keeps killing and killing and killing it. But let's not forget about the Set and Refresh Mist. This is gonna be the first time I'm smelling this, y'all. And I'm super excited. And let's go ahead and mist this. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Y'all, this smells really cute. It definitely is not the same scent as the original Set and Mist from Morphe. Definitely has that strawberry cotton candy smell to it. But let's go ahead and mist this mug because I put a whole bunch of powder and I'm ready to put this all over my face. Woo! That smells so freaking good. I'm so happy that I got my hands on this. I am one happy girl. I feel like that spray definitely, it works. It melted that powder that I had that was kind of sitting on top of my skin that I had placed to set my makeup and stuff. It is now one with the skin and I'm loving how this turned out, you guys. All right, final thoughts. Jeffree Star and Morphe, he's always killing it. I feel like everything he comes out with is just gold and he can do no wrong in the makeup world because the makeup palettes and everything he does is bomb. The brushes are so soft and they're so cute and everything about this packaging was just really, really cute. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you got your hands on this palette. If you haven't, try to see if it's still available or go to a Morphe store that's near you because this was so easy to get a hold of. I'm so happy that I have one like kind of close to me and stuff. But yeah, I'm excited to play with this palette some more and give you guys some looks and stuff. So I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.